Good morning, everyone. I'm Lovely with another Brightline Eating vlog. And I'm in my kitchen, and it's Saturday morning, and for the first time, this is like week 9, I decided to actually look inside my freezer and my refrigerator before I wrote down what I was going to eat for the week. I tend to write a week out and then tweak it the day before and say, oh, you know what, I'm going to switch those, blah, blah, blah. But that's how I do it. And I never look to see what food I have. I mean, I kind of have an idea, but I just spent the past 10 minutes writing down a list of everything that I have. And the list is, and this does not include like all of my canned goods. Like there's a couple more. I don't have a lot, but I have a couple more. I'll show you. They're a little overflowing now, but my canned goods are like over there. 2 bins of canned goods. No, 2, and most of that's peanut butter from baking my morning muffins. So this is what and I'll show you my fridge. My freezer's a little packed right now. So I have a lot of stuff in here. Except for like 3 things, it's all mine. It's leftovers. I have a lot of like meat leftovers. I have 2 big soups. I have eggplant parm in that container and another container. That's 3 eggplant parm lunches or dinners. And then I looked in my fridge, which seems to me like, oh my gosh, that's really bare. There's like not much in there. You can see the beer in the back, which I don't drink anymore. I don't know if you can see that. So I started writing down. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to write that down. So this is what I wrote. This is after being away for a week. So this is not from like, being here and shopping recently. I have hamburger, shrimp, eggplant parm, 3 portions, soup, 6 portions, sauce and meatballs, 2 portions. Like I could make them with zoodles. I have zoodles. Meat for taco, chicken, and pork, beef, chicken, and pork taco meat, a veggie medley, a whole bag I haven't opened, in the freezer. I've got cherries and blackberries, mixed greens and butterleaf, because you can't have just one type of lettuce, right? A whole thing of stir fry. I actually did buy that this week. Heirloom tomatoes, 2 of them, baby tomatoes, artichokes, hummus, yogurt, bean pasta. There's this other like mac and cheese bean pasta that I've been eating that I ate once, which is a little sketchy on the BLE, but hot dogs, multiple cans of beans and tuna, and bacon and eggs. Just like, I'm like, that's enough food for more than a week. Like, it's so fascinating, what we do. And like, because I'm going to try doing this grocery delivery service. And I was like, oh, you know what? Like, before I make up my list of what I want to order, because I'm going to try it, because I've been going to the grocery store so much. I'm like, I know, I'll just write down everything. And I'm like, so I thought I'd share that. Like, this disease works in some interesting ways. And like, not wanting to be aware of what's really happening or what's really going on with food is such a big part of it that I'm always surprised, like I'm not surprised and totally surprised. Anyway, I'm Lovely, and so are all of you. Here's to prepping and getting connected with reality about food.